Guys, so I'm gonna show you guys my very simple new updated ball cap method. Instead of using a stocking cap, use pantyhose. And I like to use this kind of pantyhose actually. This one is the off-white extreme sheer pantyhose right here. So this is how long the pantyhose is. I've already cut off this part because I did my wig before, but this entire pantyhose can probably do like many wig installments. So to begin, we're gonna take the pantyhose mouth part, you cut it, okay, then you open the pantyhose part, and I'm only cutting like a little bit off, just like this. This is where my head is gonna go through. My head goes through right here, just like that. Since I do have my braids, like I need it to be back, I don't have a ponytail holder, so I'm gonna take it through my head again to push my braids back. Just like that, okay? So why I'm using the pantyhose instead of a stocking cap, like I said, this is much sheerer. You can color blend it and match your skin 10 times better. Then I'm gonna get a needle and thread. You don't need to do this, but I plan on actually wearing multiple wigs with this one stocking cap method. So I'm gonna sew it down before starting. Taking a needle, you're gonna take a needle just like this, take your thread. You want to take the needle and thread and loop it together. Loop this together, just like that. If you have any questions for me, just let me know as I go through. So I looped the needle and thread together, and now simple way is just to sew it on. Okay, so we take it, and what we're sewing on is the back. Like this back part back here, that's what I'm sewing on. So now I'm going to sew this on my head. The sew on does not have to be perfect, y'all. It just has to be done. So I'm taking this and I'm connecting it to my braids. And again, I plan on doing multiple wig installments with this one ball cap method. So I'm sewing this on until I get to the opposite side.
It doesn't have to be perfect, so if you don't know how to sew, don't worry. You won't mess up, you won't hurt yourself. But you do want your cap to be steady on your head. So I'm just going through and I'm sewing this together. Now once I'm done sewing this part together, I take it and then I tie it from the back, and that's it. We're all done with this. Now I'm gonna cut out my ears. You want to start with the same part. You cut off your ears. You take your ears to this side. Didn't that then just turn on? Wow, of all times. So we turn to this side and we cut our ears out first. Okay? We don't want the cap, the same way you don't want your ball cap to roll back, you don't want your pantyhose to roll back. So we take our ears out just like that. Yeah. Take your ears out same way. And then that's it. Now, you can either use lace glue if you want to, but I like to use regular holding spray. This is the holding spray I'm actually using. This is the one. It's really nice. It's called adhesive spray, Extreme Mega Hold adhesive spray. Okay, I'm gonna shake it up and I'm gonna go from ear to ear, right here. Okay, just like that. After you do that, I have my blow dryer right here, and we're gonna go straight into blow drying this down. Now, since we have that dry, our ears are through. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna take my foundation and just color blend this. So you don't always have to do this method. Your bald cap method is not necessary all the time, but specifically I'm gonna be doing my hair almost every day from today. So I need something that's gonna last and not get messed up. I don't wanna keep redoing my bald cap. I don't want to mess up like my hairline while doing all the glues and stuff, so I'm just gonna protect my hair one time. So I take my foundation and I'm gonna take my makeup brush. I'm gonna use a different brush though. Took my foundation, I'm gonna pat this on, and I don't want the foundation to be set in one place, so I'm gonna take this and then I'm gonna start from back here, just lightly swiping through. So now I'm gonna go over it just one more time with this, just to make sure everything is whole before I go in and start cutting off the lace. Just take it, shake it a little bit more, and then you go in one more time. Very lightly. You don't need a lot to get the job done for you. And then go back to blow drying, okay? Alright, let's cut this off now. So all I'm doing, I'm just showing you guys another method of the bald cap method. You can use your stocking cap that is typically used, or you can use a sheer white pantyhose to get more of a natural blend. Okay, so take your scissors, and I'm going to cut this through. Like, do you see this? I'm in love with this. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this through. And I swear to you, if you try it on yourself, it doesn't matter what color you are, it's going to be super, super natural. Like, it's going to blend into your skin flawlessly. You're not going to see your cap whatsoever. Okay, let's just cut that out. Get to the ears. Yeah. And cut, and cut. I look like an egghead. Wow, okay. That's it, y'all. Like, this is literally a perfect bald cap.
This is a very easy way to do your bald cap method. Like, you're gonna get a more natural meltdown than ever.
Alright, thank you for watching my new updated bald cap method, and I will see you beautiful people next time. It's Gifty, the gift to your hair. Bye!